So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And as you can see on my screen, I have received a mail from the team behind Kimi K2.5 model, that is Moonshot AI, which has released the best open source model so far, that is Kimi K2.5. Also, they have given me a premium membership which includes Office Agent, Agent Swarm, and Kimi Code CLI for myself. And not just that, they've also given some perks, some free benefits for my followers too. So I'll be telling you how you can access the free agent swarm from Kimi K2.5 using this particular mail. So you can find out the details towards the end of the video. So you can check this out. In the short video, I will be first exploring agent swarm, and then towards the end, I have mentioned you how you can access this too. So let's get started. As you can see, I am able to access Kimi K2.5 Agent Swarm. This is not for everyone, I will tell you. So let's try out. This is a paid service, and you are also getting this free access. Just follow towards the end of the video to know what to do. Help me build a social media platform UI like Instagram. Let's see what it generates. Kimi computer has started, and we're using Kimi K2.5 agent swarm. A lot of agents would be helping me out to build this UI. Let's see. Design sub agent to generate design. Global sub agent, paid sub agent. I think multiple sub agents are getting designed here that will be working parallelly. I think it's one of the best agent swarm that any team has released. And let's look what it gives us an output. Also, just wait till the end so that you can also have access to this. Now let me launch the design sub agent to create the comprehensive design specification. Very nice, very interesting. Thanks to Moonshot AI for giving us this free access, and for my followers also, thanks for being a part of the journey so that you can also avail some free accesses from this. It is verifying a few things. As you can see, this is a design agent named Owen. Very interesting. Create a comprehensive design.md at mnt OK computer output design.md. This is very interesting. This is the entire biography of Owen. This is one of the agents, and it is working now. As you can see on my left also. Very interesting. Yeah, this is a very cool idea. Here's a global agent. You can see what a UI. This is the design agent, Owen. This is the global agent, Barts. Inspiration is never a privilege reserved for a selected few. This is the page agent, that is Shakespeare, and this is the review agent, Wins. Very interesting. What a interesting UI, I would say. Kimi is able to kill out a lot of competition with this UI based farm agent. I think a lot of uh, Python packages and frameworks have already come in, be it LangGraph, be it OpenSwarm, whatever. But I think this looks very interesting to me and easy to use as well. Follow-ups will continue with Kimi K2.5 agent. Let me first test out how does Kimi K2.5 agent swarm works, and then later on we would be I will telling you how you can also access it for free. Yes, it is a paid service, but for just for my followers, we are getting it for free as well. As you can see, these are all the different specifications of like what are the different steps that Kimi K2.5 swarm agent would be following. So first of all, it is creating a design sub agent, that was Owen. Create a global sub agent, that was Bars. We just saw its identity. Create page sub agent in parallel, home profile, explore messages, review all files against design, that would be done by Wins, and finalize entry point and fix any path issues. Deploy the website. If you look here, they have role descriptions also. You are a review sub agent specialized in quality checking web applications. Your task and your output. Very interesting, I would say. It's looking like an ID card. If you click on Shakespeare, let's read his description also. Because I think this will take some time. All the agents are now collaborating together to form us Instagram like UI design. You are a paid sub agent specialized in implementing complete standalone HTML pages. Page structure is given, rules, etc. are also given. Then bars is there. You're a global sub agent specialized in creating shared components for web applications. Your task is this. Very interesting. Now let's back latest. So right now I think Owen is working because he's the first agent, design sub agent, and his task is basically to design .md for Instagram like social platform. Now let me tell you how you can also avail this for free. So just comment on this particular video, whatever you wish to do. Send me a screenshot at datasciencepocket@gmail.com, and I will be providing you with a special link in the reply so that you can access Kimi K2.5 Swarm Agent for free. Yes, you heard it right. Again, I will repeat. Just comment on this video, send me a screenshot that you have commented, and then I will be replying back on datasciencepocket@gmail.com with the link so that you can also have access to free Kimi. And this is just for the first 100 followers, so whomsoever is able to mail me first would be getting the advantages. So as this is limited, so be quick and just give me your screenshot with the comments, share with your friends, let me know, and help me drop a mail. Design.md has been created. Now let me launch the global sub agent and all page sub agent in parallel. Very interesting. Assigning task. I think different types of page agents are now working. Effort, Toby, Cyclops, Grid. This is very interesting. I would say. I'm enjoying this. Gannon K, translation expert, Miles, Alan, Principal Winston, Cyclops, Matt, Dr. Lee. Beautiful. So if you click, you would be able to get what this agent is all about. Profile header section. All different agents are created to work on something. They are parallelly working. That's the most important part. Very interesting UI. Yes, they have started working now. This will take some time. I think autumn new agents are also getting introduced. Now, as you can see, our website is ready. This is a live website. Let's check it out. This looks like Instagram, pretty nice. I think it has able to get a UI also. Some elements are like moving here and there, but I think I'll still take it up. This is generated using Kimi Agent Swarm. Pretty good, pretty nice. I will give it obviously a 7 or 8 given the first hand design given in just 10 to 15 minutes. So now I think you can see the power of Kimi K2.5 agent swarm. All tasks are completed. And yes, you can also have it for free. The first 100 lucky users can just comment on this video and send me an email at datasciencepocket@gmail.com, and I will be sending you the link that gives you the free access. Thank you so much.